Hi everyone, I hope you're all well. So I finally got chance to edit my Ramadan decorations video. So I'm gonna share a quick few DIYs with you in this video, but some of them I've already made separate videos. I'll link them down below, like this cloud countdown calendar I made for my son, Ramadan neon sign that I made. I'll link them down below as well. That's how it looks in the daytime, and especially in the evening it's so cozy, dreamy and festive. I got this teepee tent for my son. I decorated it in this video along with this dua pillow, and we also made these lanterns. I printed that 3 Ashra duas and just stick it on the board. This mosque lamp activity that I did with my son, you can check it out as well. For me personally, it's very important that my child experience all these excitement of Ramadan as we used to have when I was growing up in Pakistan, but here in Britain you have to make one for your child, especially in this lockdown as he can't even invite his friends for iftar. I got few books here for my son. He loves sitting in his teepee tent and reading them. First I'll show you how I made lantern lights. So let's get started. You will need cutter, scissor, pencil, something sharp to make tiny holes, thread and needle, battery operated light. These I got from Poundland I believe, but never used them, got tangled, so I cut them into crescent moons. Some glue, egg carton. So first I'm just cutting the round bit from the egg carton, and the other one I'm using the cone shape. I'm just making some holes so that the light can come through. Now I'm just outlining the edges. You can do whatever you like. You can even color it, give it to your child. So that's now done. Now I'm gonna take thread and needle and just thread it just like that so that the crescent moon is hanging. Now with a hot glue gun I'm gonna stick all the 4 sides just like that. So that's how it's gonna look. Now I'm just putting one light at a time, and you can also secure it with tape or even a glue. So I hang these lanterns along the teepee. Now I'm gonna show you how I decorated my teepee. I just got these it's called feather scarf and some wisteria artificial. I just put them on top, and then I got this golden paper, just cut crescent moon star and stick some ribbon on it. It was nice and easy. I also used some fairy lights on it. That's my son's dua pillow, which he really liked, and this is also I think from the same company, but we lost few pieces so he doesn't really use it, which is sad. And these are some books my son loves, especially Curious George. Amigo and Ali is very nice one as well, and this one is also I guess from Desi Doll. It's same company, but sadly it doesn't work anymore and I can't figure out how to change the battery, which is actually very sad because my son used to use it a lot. I believe we lost these pieces while we were moving, and they don't really sell spares. Press the button. So my son liked it so much he looked for it for like a long time. As these are very nice products, they might have changed the design, I don't know, because I bought it like few years ago. But this dua pillow of theirs is a hit so far with my son. So that's all for now guys. I hope you find it helpful. If you try any of my DIYs, please share them with me. I would love to see how they look. And have a lovely Ramadan. Fi amanillah.